Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you on how you can remap your mouse buttons in iCUE. So of course, first things first, let's head over to the iCUE application and it will simply look something like this. Of course, the first thing that you want to do is to just click on your mouse itself, which is going to be this one. And then you want to navigate through the key assignment option. Now, this is going to be on the previous versions of iCUE, but if you're using one of the later ones, it's going to be by clicking on the mouse itself. And then we have the key assignments option right here. So you just want to simply click on it. And then you have the ability to assign buttons to clicks like left click, right click, middle click, deploy, toggle, and more. And then you can set your assignment type into something like text, media, keyboard, mouse, and then you could just set this to whatever you want to. And basically from there, you're good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.